Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. Mental health, self love. There is several parts of it, and I will do in the several videos about it. The points I'm going to look after in the series of self love is stop being an option, stand up for yourself, don't lower your standards, don't be used, stop allowing you don't ask too much. So stop allowing people to do things. Emotions and feelings. Me time. Allow to say no. In this video, I do the first two, and I wrote everything down, so that's why I'm reading. Stop. Number one is stop being an options. Get to a point in life where you realize that you don't have to settle to being an option. You need to be chosen. You have the right to be chosen. Be done with being an option. Love yourself so much by taking the first step and say, I am a choice. I'm not an option. Look in the mirror and say daily to yourself that friendship, relationships, everywhere we go, family thing, remember, if they don't choose you, they're not welcome in your life. Let me tell you something. If there's ever a choice between you and someone else in a man's life, or even if a man's in a woman's life, or in friendships, then please value yourself to let them choose them, the other party, than you, because you deserve to be chosen. Because out of respect for yourself, they should lose you the moment there was a choice. You must respect yourself. Know your worth. Know what you bring to the table. Have self respect to be fed up of being someone's choice. You worth it to be a choice. Jesus and God chose us. We weren't an option. We were chosen. So why are you allowing yourself to be a choice? Number two, stand up for yourself. Sometimes the most spiritual thing you can do for yourself, out of respect for yourself, is not meditation. It's not aligning your or burning sage and things. It's standing up for yourself. Telling people who don't treat you right, or don't respect you, or don't value you, or see your worth to get out of your life. Show them the door. Because why do you need that negative person and that bad treatment in your life? It will only bring you down. It will only make you lose your self love and self respect and lower your self esteem. Tell them, there's a door, go. To cut them off, as you don't need negative, bad energies around you. Because bad energies can make you become negative. It can make you make more mistakes than usual. And don't you think you deserve positivity, hope, someone that chooses you, wants to be friends with you, wants to be your husband, wants to be your boyfriend, wants to be your co-worker. I know workers, you can't just tell your work to go, you live for it. But your friendships in workplace. Love light. Like, comment, and share. And follow me for more of these following. Pieces.